I'm trying to make sure that I get a good view of you. How are you doing? Or that you can see me. Well, I just wanted to come out and even, oh my goodness, excuse me. Even being quarantined, I gotta get out the house. Have to get out the house. I did manage to score 2 Marc Jacobs crease brushes. See, crease brush number 1 and crease brush number 2 at my local TJ Maxx, and I am just totally elated. Does that make me a shopaholic? That I'm absolutely giddy for 2 Marc Jacobs crease brushes. I've been searching for weeks, and finally today I stumbled upon it. I'm just having myself a fest emotionally. And the last thing I bought on this haul, I figured, why wait till I get all the way home? Might as well just sit in my car. I also scored this Alba Botanica Fast Fix for puffy eyes. See? Fast Fix, trying to get a good view. Fast Fix for puffy eyes. So those are the items that I managed to purchase at TJ Maxx. Then I went to Ross, and Ross seems to be the place for makeup wipes. And this is an amazing brand. You actually could get this at the dollar store, but naturally you have to pay $1 a piece. But the dollar store doesn't have, one for retinol, one for with hyaluronic acid, one with CoQ10, and the other a nice cucumber. I'm trying to get a good view of it. But I just wanted to say, what is the great thing about the makeup wipes? Well, these makeup wipes were, for all 4 of these, compared to Neutrogena, when you go and you pay $7, 8 something with tax, for 30 makeup wipes that flash, that you use up in 3 uses. But this is a 4-pack. I paid $5 something for it, and I have 4 packs, and I have a choice of either I want to use retinol, hyaluronic acid, CoQ10, or cucumber. Go get yours today at your local discount store. Well, this is just me signing off. Talk to y'all later. Bye.